Hello everyone, I hope you are safe and virus-free as of today, April 25, 2020, 4:31 GMT. According to www.worldometers.info, there are 210 countries and territories around the world have reported a total of 2,831,513 confirmed cases of coronavirus or COVID-19 that originated from Wuhan, China, and a death toll of 197,297 with a total recovered of 806,894. Out of 210 countries around the world who are infected with coronavirus or COVID-19, I will present to you the top 50 that have most confirmed cases. Keep watching!